underground electrical run from the utility box to the existing panel on the side of the house. Sizing up from 400 amp from the utility so the main house can keep its 200 amp and the ADU can get a 200 amp dedicated feed. Hey. Here I'm having to dig up all the underground pool equipment pipes, move them so we can get in the ADU electrical run. All right, I'm starting this one off in the bottom of the hole just to show how much we've done. So we got electrical conduit run all the way over to the house. We have the foundation semi-graded. There's a bit of a ramp here coming in for the mini still. And you can see it's a little more than a foot lower than the pool deck. And I got to dig in a huge footing for a structural column that comes in right here. So a lot more digging over there, but I have a week to move all this pool equipment to come in tighter to the pool and wrap around. So gonna be awesome, but pretty damn well graded, and keep driving on it with the tractor to compact it, and pretty excited. Need to get rid of a lot of dirt. The neighbors have been very, very patient, so don't want to abuse that anymore. And it's a absolutely beautiful day. So very, very lucky. At this point in the job, we had the run from the ADU to the sub panel on the side of the house run. Now we had to run from the sub panel on the side of the house underneath the driveway over to the SDG&E utility meter. This required us to find the existing gas, electrical, any other lines to make sure when we're drilling underneath the driveway, we weren't running into them. So this required 811 with the city, county, everybody to make sure we knew where we were drilling and what we were drilling into. And we had to identify the gas and electrical lines here.
There's the power. The gas is what I can't find.
Found the power?
Yeah, power's right here.
can bring it back. I got glue.
Be easier with the mini. Watch yourself just in case that pipe. I don't think you got the right angle, bro. Whoa!
Swing it!
Ew. That was sick. So we got it pretty far done. We got the 3-inch all the way over to the street main, or on our property main. Amazing, they shot it all the way over, and we're picking up some interference from the rebar in the deck. But it took a long time to find our existing gas line and our existing power. They dug way over trying to find it, and they were right underneath it from the very beginning. So live and learn. But yeah, they got the 3-inch into my existing trench, so I need to dig here all the way over. But that was a hell of an event with that big ass drill. It was awesome. I couldn't believe they hand fed it afterward. But yeah, I'll trim this and trim it, put it over into this trench and tie in over here.
You're 6 feet underground too.
Yes. We've had uncharacteristically strong rain in Southern California this winter, so bit of a mud hole back here. Hopefully it dries out. We have 2 more days of rain, and hopefully it dries out and put the foundation in, get this going. Over a foot.
Something picture everything.
Mm-hmm.
Or something inspection or something.
See. Stick with us as we wrap up the underground tie-ins, start digging our footings, and begin laying rebar.